the 6th and 7th century BC in ancient Egypt, they wore a metal that kind of looked a lot like gold. And this metal is called Electrum. And Electrum had life-giving properties. It made you healthy. It made you smarter. It made you more productive. Today, I'd like to resurrect Electrum and bring it back. When you see depictions of the ancient Egyptians and them wearing all this gold-like substance on their arms and on their... It wasn't just for showing off that they were wealthy or part of the ruling class. They knew the secret of this metal. They knew that the metals that make up this Electrum would be absorbed into the body through the skin, and it would give them a health boost, a mental boost, a overall anti-aging boost. And this was the primary reason why they wore this metal, which kind of got obscured through history. It's rumored that at ceremonies and spiritual practices in ancient Egypt, they used to consume the Electrum. So they must have had some way of taking this Electrum and turning it into liquid form so that they can drink it. And of course, the Egyptians believed that this was the key to immortality and a way to rejuvenate the body, mind, and spirit. Electrum is an amalgam. It's a combination of various metals together. And this is what gives Electrum its unique properties. Electrum supposedly gives off 3 different kinds of light when it's inside the body. We're talking about an energy. I don't think we're talking about a real kind of coloring light. But it's supposed to give off a red light, a blue light, and a green light. These 3 energies add a boost to the mental, physical, immunity, and overall healing of the body. So what about today? Where do we find this Electrum? And can we use it ourselves? Luckily today, there is an available source of Electrum right under our noses. We have it in our daily lives, and it can easily be used. What is this mystical metal that everybody has? 14 karat gold. Yes, 14 karat gold contains close to the same amount of mineral composition as Electrum does. So, we can take a piece of jewelry, 14K yellow gold, and we can stick it in our laser, and we can make ourselves some Electrum. This clear stuff was created in the laser. It took about 2 hours to get a 10 or 12 parts per million solution for 50 milliliters of it. So this actually took a little bit longer because there's more than 50 milliliters here. It's a little bit of a slow process with the laser, but a more powerful laser, like a 10 watt or a 20 watt laser, would actually do it much faster. What you want to do with the laser is you want to use the Petri dish. This is a 100 centimeter Petri dish. It holds 50 milliliters of fluid. I put the cover of the Petri dish on. I find that gold responds very well when it's in a heated environment. That goes for all the ways that you're making gold. It always seems to make more gold more quickly when the water has some temperature in it. So by covering the gold with the Petri dish cover, we contain the heat, and the water warms up and it cooks much faster. Typically, you're going to be looking at the first time you cook this about 2 hours to get this 10 to 15 parts per million solution in 50 milliliters of water. Then what you want to do is you want to take half of that solution, put it back in the Petri dish, then add another 25 milliliters of distilled water and recook it again. And you're going to find it cooks twice as fast that way. And you can keep doing that until you get enough for yourself. You don't really need a whole lot of this stuff. It's quite potent. I would recommend a teaspoon or 2 a day, and just give it time to work its Electrum magic on you and see what happens. Now, I am going to have my Electrum, and I will see all of you later.